Hello all, this is Team Portfolio Builder. My name is Shreya Pavaskar and my teammates are Riya Kulkarni and Zuya Shtuputre. Let's come to our problem description. The job market is very crowded, making differentiation difficult. There are existing tools, but they offer limited customization. Most of the portfolio builder or resume platforms have generic templates. Most platforms also lack meaningful analytics. Users struggle to convey their personal achievements. It's so challenging to communicate full value to the employers. To stand out, professionals need tool like us which has advanced analytics and personalized and engaging portfolios. Our product addresses key challenges with innovative solutions. Now let's come to the features. Our features are quick sign up, easy registration with social media integration, ATS check, that is optimizing resumes for applicant tracking system, resume upload and extraction, that is auto extracting of the key details from uploaded resumes, job description match, that is matching resumes with job descriptions to aid job search, personalized metric, dashboard with tailored insights on portfolio performance, and most important, easy inspiration, user friendly platform for intuitive portfolio creation. Now let's come to our product demo. System looks like. Now I will upload a resume. These are the passing details of our resume. Now we will go and save it. After saving the resume, we will go back to our portfolio template section. Let's go and create a portfolio. I will select a template. Since I am a web developer, I will select the web developer template. This is how the created portfolio will look like. You can see the projects, the work experience, and also the about section here. There is a contact section field too. Now you can go and also create a custom portfolio. Here you can add different headers like education, experience, and projects. So you are not just limited to our portfolio templates. Now let's go to our job listings. Our portfolio builder has a job list feature. Now I will go and look for a front-end engineer job in the US. There are US as well as non-US jobs here. We are using the Google Gemini API to see a resume match. I will click on upload resume, upload my resume, and it will tell me how much percent match it is with the job description. So it's a 83% match and the missing keywords are these. You can also get a profile summary. Now at the end, we will look at the portfolio analytics generated by our system. Once we go to the resume analyzer, we again put our resume and this will give us the number of pages, the skill recommendations, the skills which we have, the recommended skills for you. Also there are courses and certifications. If you click on the bar ahead, you can get more recommendations based on your profile. There are resume tips too. Also after that you will get a customized resume score based on our analytics.